How to download and install Lead Scraper tool. First, download the product zip file. Once the download is complete, go to your downloads folder and extract the zip file. Open the extracted folder, then navigate to the Lead Scraper folder. Inside, you will find installer file. Simply double-click to run it, but before running this file you need to download and install Node.js. To download Node.js, type Node.js on your web browser and visit displayed URL. And look for version 20110. Then click on it and download the MSI version. Simply click on download file and install Node.js on your local machine. To verify the installation, press Windows plus R, type cmd, and hit enter. This should display the installed version of Node.js. Once you install Node.js, now simply run installer file. This will open a pop-up and begin installing the necessary packages. This process may take a few minutes. Please do not close the pop-up during installation. Once the installation is complete, the pop-up will close automatically. Now, start the tool server by clicking on the starter file. Now simply copy the displayed URL and open it in your preferred browser. Your setup is completed. Now simply sign in your account and start your work. Now let's go through how you can download or update to the latest version of our tool. If you are also seeing the displayed pop-up on your tool, then simply click on download button to download the latest version. After downloading, extract the download zip file. Open the extracted folder and copy all the folders inside it. Navigate to your current working tool folder and replace the existing folders with the newly copied ones. After replacing the folders, open the Lead Scraper folder and run the starter file to start using your updated version. Thank you for watching.